How to add a domain forwarder in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to add a domain forwarder. Click the Add New Domain button. Now enter the domain name you want as a forwarder. Scroll down to the Hosting Type section and click Forwarding. Then enter the address you want new domain name forwarded to, the target website. Choose whether you want this to be a permanent or a temporary forwarder. Click OK when finished. That's it! The new domain forwarder has been created. Now when someone visits demodomain.net, they will automatically be forwarded to mybiz1234.net. To delete this domain forwarder, simply click the Remove Website icon. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add a domain forwarder in Plesk.